Hello students, how are you? So today our topic is bonding, right? So which type of bonding is in carbon atoms? So carbon and its compounds, that is our hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon, what do you mean by hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means a combination of carbon and hydrogen, right? So there are three types of hydrocarbon. First one is called alkane, second one is called alkene, and third one is our alkyne. In case of alkane, there is single bond between carbon and carbon. In case of alkene, there is double bond. In case of alkyne, there is triple bond between carbon and carbon. So carbon compounds contain which type of bond? Covalent bond. So now we will discuss in detail about these type of bondings. So first case is single bond between carbon and carbon, means single bonded carbohydrates, hydrocarbons. So suppose that we have C2, suppose that we have a compound name is methane, CH4, that is our alkane, methane. ANE means single bond between carbon and carbon. So if it is C2H6, then it is ethane. Again ANE stands for single bond. So atomic number of carbon is 6, electronic configuration is 2 and 4. There are 4 electrons in outermost orbit of that particular carbon. And what about hydrogen? Atomic number is 1 and 1 electron in outermost orbit. Now how to draw the electron dot structure for these hydrocarbons? So now I am going to draw a structure for ethane. Formula is C2H6, ethane. There are 2 carbons and 6 hydrogen. Carbon, 2 carbon. And how much hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogen. Outermost orbit, there are 4 electrons in carbon, and in case of hydrogen, 1 electron. 1 electron, 1 electron. Dot for carbon electron and cross for hydrogen electron. Now how the bond is? So carbon have 4 electrons already, and first of all hydrogen will make a single bond with carbon electron here and here. Similarly, hydrogen make a single bond with here. Duplet is completed. Now what about octet of carbon? 2 to 4 to 6 electron. Carbon have 4 electrons and 3 electrons are shared by these 3 hydrogen. They need it need 2 to 4 to 6 and 7, one more electron to complete its octet. Now take one electron from other carbon, right? Here hydrogen duplet is completed. For carbon, octet is completed. What about another carbon? Duplet is completed. 2 to 4 to 6, 1, 7, and 7 electrons are there. Carbon needs 8 electrons to complete its octet, so it will share 1 electron off from here. Now hydrogen and carbon both are in stable state. It makes single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. So structure of ethane is C, single bond indicates single covalent bond, that line. Hydrogen bond, hydrogen bond, hydrogen bond. Now our next topic is double bond, right? How hydrocarbons make double bond or double bonded hydrocarbons. Alkene, E means double bond. Double bond between two carbon. Okay. C2H4, that is ethene. Now electron dot structure for ethene. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 2, 3 and 4 hydrogens are there. Outermost orbit have 4 carbon electrons, and in case of hydrogen, single electron. So first of all, hydrogen want to complete its duplet, completed. For this hydrogen, it will take 1 electron of carbon, 2 electrons are left. Similarly, this hydrogen will make a single bond with carbon electron. So there are 4 electrons, and this will make single bond with. Now duplet of hydrogen is completed. So now octet of complete. What about octet of complete? Octet of carbon atom, 2 to 4 and to 6. There are 6 electrons surrounded by carbon, but carbon needs 2 more electrons. So it will take 2 electrons from this carbon. Now octet of carbon as well as hydrogen is completed in first carbon. What about in second carbon? There are 2 to 4 to 6 electrons, but this carbon needs 8 electrons to complete its octet. So now, octet of this carbon atom is also completed. 2 to 4 to 6 and to 8 electrons. So here 2 carbon, double bond carbon, single bond hydrogen, that is double bonded covalent compound or covalent hydrocarbon. Now next one is triple bonded hydrocarbon, and that is also called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Single bond, if there is single bond between carbon and carbon atom, then it is called saturated hydrocarbon. If there is more than one bond between carbon and carbon, like double bond or triple bond, then the hydrocarbon is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Third thing is alkyne, YNE. YNE stands for triple bond. Triple bond between carbon and carbon. Let us take an example of C2H2. That is called ethyne or acetylene, you can say, or acetylene also. So there are two carbon, 1, 2. And how much hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen. 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Right? Electron dot structure for this carbon. There are 4 electrons in outermost orbit. Similarly, 4 electron in that carbon also. What about hydrogen? Single electron. First, hydrogen will complete its duplet with carbon electron. Now it's carbon turn. For carbon, there are 4 electrons of carbon and 1 from hydrogen. This carbon atom need 3 more electrons to complete its octet. So it will take these 3 electrons to complete its octet. Similarly, this carbon atom need also, carbon atom is surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 electrons are there. For this carbon need also 3 more electrons to complete this octet. So now single bond, double bond, triple bond. That is the structure of carbon-carbon triple bond. Carbon, triple bond carbon, single bond hydrogen, that single bond, that single bond. So there are three type of hydrocarbons in carbon compound. First one is alkane, second one is alkene, and third one is alkyne. In case of alkane, there is a single bond between carbon and carbon atom. In case of alkene, there are double bond, and alkyne, it's a triple bond between carbon and carbon atom. Thanks for today.